Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I have this super cozy weighted blanket here from Frozen 2. So this is amazing for kids. It's a fleece blanket. It weighs 4.5 pounds as a weighted blanket. So it's not too heavy. It's just a nice size for your kids. I love weighted blankets. They're just so comfortable. Sometimes you just need that extra weight and it kind of just calms you down and you want to fall asleep, and it's so snuggly. This here measures at 48 to 36 inches. So it's just a nice size for your child. I love the colors on it. The picture is so beautiful from Frozen 2. So like I said, this is a fleece blanket and it's fade resistant. So it's washable and the colors stay gorgeous. You can feel the beads too. It's quilted squares, and it has beads in each square, and you can feel that it just has a small amount so that it's distributed really nice for your child, and it's not going to be too heavy. Like I said, it's just a nice weight, especially for kids, to have a weighted blanket and to stay snuggly with a gorgeous photo on it. But that's just my point of view.